Today Masha will have a hiccup attack. She will try to steal some strawberries and Bear will discover her because of her hiccup. Come on.
So cool. Today I picked a lot of fruit. I have a lot of things to eat. Maybe I can make a strawberry cake. I am getting so hungry.
Bear has a lot of strawberries and a lot of apples. I'm gonna grab a few. I'm sure he won't find out. Hip! Oops, I have a hiccup attack. Oh no. Well, it's okay. I have to focus on the strawberries. Hip! Just a little bit. Hip! Hip!
What was that?
Oops!
So weird. I think I heard someone over here. Wait a moment. Where are the rest of the strawberries? I don't know. Well, it's okay.
Oh, almost. He almost catches me.
Hello.
Hello, Bear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I picked a lot of strawberries and apples today.
So cool. How can I help you?
I would like to buy flour and cream for making a cake.
Okay. Here you have. It's gonna be delicious.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. The weather is so good that I don't wanna go home. I'm gonna bring the things that I need for making the cake in the garden.
What did Bear buy? Let's see. Ooh, delicious cream. I love cream. I can eat the strawberries with the cream. It's gonna be delicious. Come on. Hip, hip. Oh no, the hiccup attack again.
La 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 la.
Oh, Bear is back. Come on. Hip, hip.
When was that? I think I heard the hiccups again. Oh, where is the cream? Maybe I dropped it when I was coming home. I don't think so.
Hello, Bear. Hip, hip.
Hi, do you have a hiccup attack?
Yes, hip. I've been like this the whole day. I can't stop. Hip.
Give me my strawberries back and my cream right now.
Hip, hip. Bear, what's wrong? I didn't steal anything. Hip.
Before my strawberries disappeared, I've heard a hiccup. And look, you are now here and you have a hiccup attack.
But Bear, I promise. Hip. I didn't do it. Hip. They are delicious. Hip, hip. I can't believe it. I can't stop. Hip, hip.
Shh! Did you hear that? Yes.
Someone else has a hiccup attack.
Let's have a look. Masha!
Oops! Hip, hip.
My strawberries! My cream! Masha!
Hip. Told ya.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have screamed at you without proofs. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, Bear. I forgive you. Hip, hip. I just took a few strawberries. But when I saw the cream, I would like to eat the strawberries with cream. I couldn't resist. You have to understand me.
This girl is very funny. Ay, yes, so funny. Masha, you shouldn't take things without asking, okay?
Yes, but if I ask you, you won't give me the strawberries or the cream? Hip!
I would give them to you, but not all of them. I would like to make a cake, and now...
A cake. So good. Hip!
Don't you dare eat my cake, Masha.
No. But Bear, you shouldn't make a cake just for you. You should invite me to have a piece.
Yes, sure.
Really, Bear? Don't be rude.
Ay, you are unbelievable. Masha's right. Bear should invite her to have a piece of cake.
Do you remember what did Masha steal besides of the strawberries, cream, or chocolate? You can write the answer in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to watch more of their adventures, you can click on one of these videos. Bye!